I didn't realize how many pieces in my closet were secretly aging me until I started replacing them one by one. And today, I'll show you the 13 outdated items you should replace if you want your outfits to look instantly fresher and more intentional. Stay with me, because one of the items near the end is the one I avoided talking about for years, until recently. So let's start with something I see all the time: baggy, oversized clothing that completely swallows your shape. When the fabric pools or balloons in areas you don't want emphasized, it instantly makes your look dated and heavier. The quickest fix? Swap those saggy pieces for softly structured tops, gentle tailoring, and knits with shapes like a slimmer sweater with a ribbed hem, a blouse with darts, or a simple knit tee that skims instead of clings or billows. You still get comfort, but your silhouette looks intentional, modern, and clean. These little upgrades alone can make people assume you've completely refreshed your wardrobe, even when you haven't. Now moving on, let's talk about low-waisted pants, because if there's one item that instantly throws off your proportions, it's this one. Low-rise bottoms visually push your entire frame downward. They shorten the legs, widen the midsection, and make tops awkward to style. The body changes with age, and low-rise pants highlight the exact areas most women prefer not to draw attention to. So instead, go for mid-rise or high-rise trousers, straight-leg jeans, or tailored ankle pants. These styles elongate the legs, lift the waistline, and create that long, flattering vertical line that makes you look current without trying too hard. I promise, even swapping just one pair for a polished high-rise straight leg will make your entire outfit feel sharper and more refined. Next, let's get into something subtle but incredibly important: logo mania. I know it can feel fun to wear a bold designer logo, but those big letters across the chest or huge monograms on bags can actually work against you. They pull focus away from your face and your silhouette, and they tend to look trend-chasing rather than timeless. Plus, they date quickly. What looks in this year might look tacky next year. So instead of big, loud branding, reach for simple leather handbags, clean crewneck sweaters, minimalist tees, and understated jewelry. These instantly elevate your outfit and make it look more expensive, even when it isn't. And speaking of small tweaks, let's talk about capri pants, because this is a big one. Capris cut you off at the widest part of your calf, and that's why they're so tricky. Even if you pair them with stylish shoes, they still interrupt the natural leg line and make you look shorter and broader than you are. Most women tell me they want to look streamlined, lighter, taller, more elongated, and capris simply don't help with that. The modern alternative? Choose ankle-length pants, cropped straight-leg trousers, or slim-cut jeans that hit just above the ankle. This creates a smooth, uninterrupted line that lengthens your legs and instantly freshens your whole outfit. And because I know you'll want examples you can shop, I've added links to great options in the description box below. Now, let's move into denim, because this one can completely shift the vibe of your outfit. Distressed jeans. I know they had their moment, but now, heavy rips and shredded knees tend to look more sloppy than stylish. Those frayed strands and big open patches pull the eye down and break up the clean lines that make an outfit feel modern. The good news is that the fix is so simple. Choose clean, dark wash denim, soft straight legs, polished ankle-length cuts, or even a slim boot cut. These keep your outfit current without shouting for attention. Just switching from distressed to clean denim instantly elevates your look and makes everything else you're wearing feel more refined and intentional. Next up, let's talk about crazy loud prints, because this is one of the most common things that can accidentally age an outfit. When a print is overly busy, extremely colorful, or feels like something you'd see on a novelty shirt, it overpowers your face and makes the clothing the center of attention, not you. And the problem with loud prints is that they date quickly. What feels bold one year can feel costumey the next. Instead, choose soft florals, subtle geometrics, tone-on-tone prints, or elegant stripes that add personality without overwhelming your natural features. These give you movement, interest, and freshness while keeping the outfit chic and beautifully age-appropriate. Now shifting into tops, long tunics are one of those pieces so many women hold on to because they feel comfortable, but comfort doesn't always translate into style. The issue is that long tunics erase your waist, lengthen your torso too much, and make your legs look shorter, which throws off your proportions completely. Even if you wear them with slim pants, the overall shape just doesn't read modern anymore. A much fresher option is to wear hip-length tops, shorter knits, or softly tailored blouses that show a hint of shape. These balance your proportions instantly and give your body a more lifted look. It's such a small switch, but it completely changes how current and polished your outfits appear. Another piece I have to mention, because I see this all the time, is overly bulky shoes. Listen, comfort absolutely matters, but some of these shoes are so chunky, rounded, or heavy-looking that they visually weigh down your entire outfit. Even a beautifully styled look can fall apart if the footwear looks overly padded. The great news is that today, there are so many supportive podiatrist-approved styles that still look chic. Look for sleek sneakers, low-profile loafers, supportive ballet flats, or cushioned block heels. These give you the comfort you need while keeping your overall aesthetic modern and polished. And now, let's talk about fit. Because wearing clothes that are too big or too small is one of the easiest ways to look outdated without realizing it. Pieces that cling too tightly highlight areas you might not want emphasized, while overly large pieces make you look lost in your clothes. Fit is the foundation of every stylish outfit. When clothes skim the body instead of squeezing or drowning it, everything looks cleaner and more elevated. Now I'm curious, have you noticed any pieces in your closet that fit a little too snug or a little too loose? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear which items you're thinking about replacing. Let's start with something almost everyone overlooks. Poor quality basics. These are the stretched out tees, faded leggings, thinning sweaters, and pilled cardigans we tend to keep just for casual days. But here's the problem. Basics are the foundation of your outfits. When they look worn out, everything else you pair with them instantly looks older, dated, and less intentional. Even if you wear a gorgeous blazer or an expensive bag, a dingy basic underneath will drag the whole outfit down. The fix doesn't require a full wardrobe overhaul, just upgrade a few essentials. Look for thicker cotton tees, fine gauge knits, structured long sleeves, or ribbed tops that hold their shape. High-quality basics polish your entire look and make your clothes look more modern and fresh, even on your most relaxed days. Now moving on, we need to talk about overly youthful outfits, because this is something that sneaks up on even the most stylish women. The moment an outfit looks like it's trying too hard to appear young, with excessive glittery details, cartoon graphics, mini skirts, neon colors, bows everywhere, it starts to clash with your natural elegance. Instead of reading fun, it reads misaligned, and that disconnect can age you faster than any wrinkle ever could. Women shine the most when their outfits feel refined and confident, not juvenile. So instead of leaning into pieces that scream teenage trend, try clean silhouettes, soft fabrics, luxurious textures, and subtle details that elevate without overwhelming. These give you the freshness you're looking for without dipping into the overly youth section. And speaking of trends, overly trendy pieces are another thing to reconsider. Hyper-trendy silhouettes, like extreme cutouts, bizarre colors, ultra-wide parachute pants, or viral TikTok shapes, tend to have very short lifespans. They look current for a moment, and then instantly dated once the trend shifts. This can create a disconnect where the outfit feels forced instead of sophisticated. You don't need to avoid trends altogether, though. Just choose modern, refined versions like a sleek tailored trouser, a minimal sneaker, or a contemporary blouse in a flattering cut. These keep your wardrobe current without anchoring you to a trend cycle. And stay with me here, because the next item is something so many women still have in their closet, and it's the one I personally avoided talking about for years. Until recently. Alright, let's get into the one I've tiptoed around for years. The long, flowy boho top, with busy prints and no shape. I know these tops feel comfortable, and I know a lot of women love them, because they seem like an easy solution for days when you don't feel your best. But here's the truth. They blur your waist, widen your torso, and create a heavy, outdated silhouette that does the exact opposite of what you want. The combination of the oversized shape, the busy boho pattern, and the extra length is what makes them so aging. And this applies to almost every body shape, not just one or two. Just replacing this one piece can rejuvenate your entire wardrobe. And that's exactly why I finally decided it was time to talk about it. If you enjoyed uncovering these outdated pieces and the simple swaps that make your outfits look instantly fresher, then you're going to love this next video, where I share 6 color combos that instantly make you look outdated. These are the shades and pairings that quietly age women, even when the clothes themselves are modern. I explain why certain colors no longer flatter the way they used to, and what to wear instead.